Magandang araw sa lahat. So ngayon ay samahan niyo akong gumawa ng tutorial tungkol sa tree data structure. So introduction to tree. A tree is a finite non-empty set of elements. It is an abstract model of hierarchical structure. It consists of nodes with a parent-child relations. Application, organization, charts, file systems, programming environments. So this is the file system nodes. So makikita nyo dito may dalawang picture. So dito sa unang picture, sa nature view of a tree. So makikita nyo dito natural lang yung tree. So ang root nasa ibaba, yung mga branches at leaves papuntang itaas. So natural lang siya. So makikita nyo naman dito sa computer scientist view. So parang binaliktad siya. Yung root dapat ay nasa baba. So dito binaliktad. So ang root napunta sa ibabaw, tapos yung mga branches, leaves, yung mga nodes ay napunta na sa baba. So tree terminology. Root, node without a parent. So makikita nyo yung A, siya yung parent or siya yung root dahil wala siyang parent, at siya yung parent ng mga nasa ibabang nodes. So siblings, nodes shares the same parent. So yung siblings daw ay ito yung B, C, D na mga nodes dahil isa lang ang kanilang parent, si A. Internal node, node with at least one child. So makikita nyo sa example si A, B, C, and F. So sila yung mga internal node kasi sila yung may mga anak na at least isa, or sila yung may mga child na higit sa isa. So si A may child siya, si B, C, D, si B yung child niya ay si AF, and then si F mayroon din siyang child na I, J, K, and then si C mayroon siyang child na si G and H. So external node, leaf, node without children. So yung mga nodes na walang children, yun yung mga nodes na si A, I, J, K, J, H, D. Dahil sila yung mga nagrepresenta sa mga nodes ng leaves. So ancestors of a node, parent, grandparent, grandparent, or etc. So sila yung mga ancestors. Kagaya ni F, parent siya ng IJK. So example si J, ang parent niya ay si F, din ang kanyang grandparent ay si B, and grandparent ay si A. So yun yung ancestors. So descendants of a node, child, grandchild, grandchild, etc. So mga descendants kagaya ni A, siya yung parents. So ang kanyang mga descendants ay si B, si F, si A. So ang descendants naman ni F, si I, J, K. So yun. Sa depth of a node, number of ancestors. So height of a tree, maximum depth of any node tree. Degree of a node, the number of its children. So degree of a tree, the maximum number of its node. Subtree, tree consisting of a node and its descendants. Edge, connecting lines of a tree. So note different shape are represent nodes. So tree terminology. So isa namang example. So property and value. So number of nodes, ang value niya ay 9. So bakit siya 9? Kasi yung mga nodes ay ang bilang nila ay si A1, dito 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 lahat ang mga nodes. Height niya ay 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So leaves, yung mga leaves ay si D, H, I, DHIFC. So, ito. DHIF and then C. Tapos, yung interior nodes A, B, and A, and G. So, sila yung mga interior nodes. So, si A, si B, si A, tsaka si G. Ancestor of H. So, si G, A, B, A. So, ito yung H. Yung ancestors niya ay si G, si A, si B, tsaka si A. So, descendants of B ay si D, A, F, A, G, H, I. So, D, yun, si F, si G, and then H, I. So, siblings of A ay yung F at si D. So, ito si A, then yung siblings niya ay si D at saka si F. Tapos, yung right subtree of A ay si C. So, ito yun, si A. Tapos, ito yung right subtree niya. Tapos, degree of this tree is equal to 3. So, yan, 3 siya. Degree. So, types of tree. General tree. If no constraint rule is placed on the tree's hierarchy, a tree is called a general tree. Every node may have infinite numbers of children in general tree. The tree is the superset of all other trees. Binary tree. The binary tree is a kind of a tree which most two children can be found for each parent. The kids are known as the left kid and right kid. Binary search tree. Binary search tree, or BST, is a binary tree extension with several option restriction. The left child value of a node should in BST be less than or equal to the parent value, and the right child value should always be greater than the equal to the parent value. Type of tree. So, ito yung number 4. So, ABL3. ABL3 is a binary search tree self-evidencing one behalf of the inverter's allocations, which is, and thus the name ABL is given. This was the first tree that balanced dynamically and balancing factor allocated for its nodes in the ABL tree based on whether the tree is balanced or not. The height of the node kids is at most 1 ABL vine. In the ABL tree, the congruent balance factors is 1, 0, and -1. When a tree has a new node, it will be rotated to ensure that it is balanced. It will then be rotated. Display tree. A display tree is a self-balancing tree the same with ABL tree. What makes display tree unique is extra property which is plain. Display tree contains same operation of a binary search tree, insertion, deletion, and searching, but it also contains one more operation, IA displaying. So all the operations in display tree are followed by displaying. Binary tree. A binary tree is a tree with the following properties. Each internal node has at most 2 children, degree of 2. So this example A. So A, mayroon siyang dalawang children, si B at C. Si B, mayroon din siyang children dalawa, si G, si C, and then si A. The children of the node are an ordered pair. So, yun, pair sila, dalawa. We call the children of an internal node left child and right child. Alternative is recursive definition. A binary tree is either a tree consisting of a single node or a tree whose root has an ordinal pair of children, each of which is a binary tree. Applications: arithmetic expressions, decision process, searching. Binary tree traversal. A tree traversal is a specific order in which trees and nodes of a tree. There are three common tree traversals: in order, pre-order, post-order. So, the in order is pwede natin sundan itong to. So, nangunguna ang left, tapos sunod naman ang root, tapos sa right. Pre-order, root, left, right, then post-order, left, right, root. So far in order, we must print each subtree's left branches before we print its root. Note: pre and post refers to when we visit root. So, binary tree traversal. In order. So, ito yung in order. Unahin natin yan. In order. So, left. Sa left, meron tayong 3. Tapos, 5. And then, 6. 7. And then, 10. 12. 13. Tapos pagkatapos natin sa left, so naubos na natin yung left. Sunod naman natin si root. So dito si root. Then punta naman tayo sa right. So 16, 18, 20, and then 23. So yun lang. Dapat naka in order siya. So 3, yan. Tapos dito naman tayo sa pre-order. So, nanguna si root. So, dapat si root. Ito yung root. Tapos, left. So, 5, 3, 12, 10, 6, 7, then 13. Tapos, sa right naman. So, 16, 20, 18, then 23. Ayun. Yan si pre-order. And then, sa post-order naman. So, simula tayo sa left. Sa left ay nandito si 3, 7, 6, 10, 13, 12, 5. Tapos, dito naman tayo sa right. Huwag muna natin yung root kasi sundin natin yung ito sa right. So, dito tayo sa 18, tapos 23, then 20, then 16, tapos dito tayo sa root. Ito yung panguli. So, yun ang post order.